up, Curly Crew? Welcome back to your girl's channel. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is our empty apartment tour. So as you guys know, we just recently moved, so we are so excited for this new journey. If you are new here, then my husband and I just now moved to a new apartment. We live in Austin, Texas, and by the way, we did not pick any of the apartments that you guys saw in the apartment tour or apartment hunting video. So this is a brand new apartment that you guys are going to be seeing that we decided on. So we're so excited for this new journey. If you are new to your girl's channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that button down below and become part of the Curly Crew. So let's go ahead and hop right into our new empty apartment tour. Welcome to our new place. This is our new spot, y'all. So we're gonna be showing you guys the whole entire apartment today. So let's go ahead and do an apartment tour. As you guys know, we just recently moved. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So right over here, as soon as you walk in, is a coat closet for you to store any kind of stuff that you want. And then on this side is the washing machine and dryer. So it actually has a washing machine and dryer in the apartment, which we were not expecting. We actually thought it would be like empty and we have to get our own. So we most definitely have to check up on that. But it's a really, really nice washing machine and dryer area. Lots of storage space, so that's good. And then here is the living room area and the kitchen. Like, y'all, look at all of this space. And just the whiteness, like, it's so much brighter, such a brighter feel. And then this right here is the kitchen. So in the kitchen, we have the what's this called, baby? The refrigerator. It's really just like a basic freezer and fridge. You guys can't really see on that side, but it's basic. So we'll have to find some kind of way to get our purified water. And then a lot of cabinet space as well. So this is kind of a more enclosed kitchen than we had before, but we really do like it because of all the open space that we do get. And then over here we have, over here we have the pantry area. So it's a full pantry and we can put like our trash can or something like that in there as well. And then it also has that nice window for some more natural light. And then also the countertops are really nice. It's very bright and light in here. The cabinetry is a little bit darker, but it's okay because it's still like the whole apartment is still very, very bright. But guys, look how big this area is. Like, so much space, and it has like the floor. It's not really floor to ceiling windows, but it's very, very close to it. Like, these windows are huge to let in a lot of natural light. And this is exactly what we were looking for. Like, so much natural light that comes in. And there's no lights on right now at all. So now we're gonna head over, before that, I really do like this right here for decorations. Like, this would be bomb to be able to have some decor on here just to like zhuzh up the place a little bit, you know? Then they also have these lights up here that just give, I guess it's supposed to be like a dining room table right here maybe, but some more lighting up there. So this is bedroom number 1, which would be our studio room / office. Now this one is pretty big as well. So it's not, I think it's a little bit bigger than the one we have at home. Would you say, baby? Mm-hmm. So I think it's a tad bit bigger than the one at home. So that's good. Big windows, y'all. Like huge windows. Then there's also a little closet on this side. So you can go in and show them the closet. It's a nice size closet, way bigger than the closet that we have at home in the guest bedroom. So this is really, really nice. And then, and also once again, white walls are in here. So this right here is the first bathroom that you guys will see. This is the bathroom that will be like my hair closet, well, my hair bathroom basically. So this has like the nice white, lighter countertop. It also has this really big mirror. We'll probably change out these lights to be white lights instead of yellow. But this is really, really nice. And also something that's cool is the switch right here. you can turn that on, and it has another light right here, so it makes it even more brighter. And then there's a little shelf right here that we can store stuff on, even like a little basket for dirty clothes. And then over here is the shower area. So the shower area has a bathtub and a shower head, and it seems like it also has like the different modes, so that's pretty cool. But this would be like my hair bathroom for you guys. And yeah, I really do like it. It's simple, but it's also like really nice because we'll have a shower, like a glass shower as well. So this leads you right back out to where we started with the front door. So now we're gonna get into our bedroom. So this will be our bedroom, much bigger than the one that we have right now, I believe. Like this one is just like really, really big, a lot of open space. And it also has like much larger windows. So these windows, y'all, are huge. And so is this bedroom. Like this thing is pretty big, and we love these windows as well. But this right here is going to be our bathroom. So this bathroom has the double sink, which we really did want. Like, y'all, this bathroom is nice. It has the double sinks, double faucets, like really nice countertops. The mirror is huge, and it has yellow lights, so we'll change those out probably. But this bathroom is so bomb, and it's big, so we really like that. And then over here is the toilet area with the cabinets, and also they have a glass shower, y'all. We finally get a glass shower, y'all. Like, come on, look at this. Like, we have not had a glass shower ever. And that's one thing that I really wanted as well as Nick. We both wanted a glass shower finally. And then we have over here the closet. So this closet is not as big as the one that's in the other bedroom. But this is what it looks like, and this is the shelving and stuff over here. So yeah, and then we're gonna go right on back out to the rest of the house. Back this way, and here we are back in here. So this over here is our balcony. We're just gonna show you guys like the size of it, but not so much like the location in the area, because we wanna like keep that private, of course. But this is the size of it. It's huge balcony, y'all. And literally, like, the balcony is, like, he's standing over there on the other end, and I'm way over here. Like, y'all, this balcony is so huge. Like, what? Content is gonna be shot on this balcony like y'all don't believe. Like, this balcony, y'all, is beautiful, and we can like oversee everything. So it's like we have a really good view of the entire area that we're living. So it's so nice. We'll put like our hammock on here and stuff, so we most definitely really do like this. So this is our unfurnished apartment tour, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all, we are so excited for this new journey, so excited for this move. Like, we know you guys are going to love this place. We already love it. Content will be shot through and through this bad boy, especially on this balcony, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning in to our new apartment tour video. New beginnings, we're so excited. Shout out to Babe for being a cameraman. And yeah, y'all, we're gonna see you guys in our next video. Peace. Oh, and thank you guys so much for always being so loyal and part of the Curly crew.